Welcome to the new product development in CNC machining course. Welcome. The objective of this course is to bridge the gap between the fresher or industry beginner to the skilled industry engineer in the area of new product development CNC machining. As you are aware, nowadays earlier CNC machining is commonly used to improve productivity, to save setup time, and with a normal unskilled or semi-skilled operator which you can operate the machine. The big challenge is earlier the CNC machine used to run continuously, but today the world, it's a lot of new products are coming, and the engineer should know how to develop the new product in CNC machining. So that's the objective of this course, and after this course we expect any fresher or industry beginner, he can know about the process about new product development CNC machining. If you look at it, why there is a new product development is needed? As we said, we all came across a very big revolution, starting with agricultural age, then moved to industrial age. We should say thanks to Ford, where they have started revolutionaries in manufacturing cars, and IT world, and now the age is conceptual age. The very important is, if somebody is having an idea, it can be manufactured. I have seen even a phone covers are being manufactured in CNC machines. And wide spectrum of industry is being witnessed. They are doing CNC machining, starting with automotive. Automotive is nothing but automobile, which predominantly people use it to produce parts, and a lot of automatic line and they're being used, and aerospace predominantly, and even a medical people, even to hip joint replacement, and all this they're using CNC, and every area the CNC is being used. The big challenge for the industry is to produce a lot of new parts in CNC machining. Because in the CNC machine, predominantly people think it's for fixed line, but today it's happening that a lot of changeover is happening in the day itself. For it is very important. That's the reason we frame the syllabus, and wherein which the participants can understand the basic process which is involved in new product development, which we are going to go in detail.